In order to install Windows 11, you have to follow these steps. So, number one thing is just go to this link. I'll provide this link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. So all you have to do is to click download Windows 11, blah blah blah. Just go here and click download. What it will do, it will download the Windows 11 installation assistant. So once the Windows 11 installation assistant is downloaded, just go to your downloads, run it, and it will work like fine. So what you have to do is that if you're running on Windows 10, all you have to do is to, go with the prompts, simply next, and it will do its thing on its own. You don't have to worry about anything. The other way around is just go to the Windows, go to settings, and in the settings, just go to window update, and your window will get updated on its own from here. Just click on download and install all, and if you're running on Windows 10, it will automatically shift it to the Windows 11. But there is one slight catch, and that is you should have this minimum set of requirements. A modern 64-bit processor, 1 GHz or faster, 2 plus cores, 8 and plus Intel or AMD Ryzen 2000 plus. 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, and UEFI secure boot and TPM 2.0 supports. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.